Study the example from practice set 5.1. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. So Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba, that is wildlife sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran and Anandvan. So these were the sites in Maharashtra. Now she is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. So total number of possibilities in Maharashtra which can Vanita visit. So how many? She may select any one out of this. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many places? Total 8. So how many possible places? Out of this 8, she may select 1. Second example, any day out of the week is to be selected randomly. Any day out of the week. So total number of days in a week, right? 7 days. So any day of the week. What is the random selection then in that case? What are the possibilities? 7 possibilities. Any of the day is selected. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. So total cards 52. What are the possibilities? 52 possibilities. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. So 10 to 20 means total number of cards 11. So what are the possibilities? So total number of cards are 11 over here. Okay. Let us study the new term sample space. Study few examples of random experiment. One coin is tossed. Then what sample space you will get? What sample space you will get? It is denoted by capital S. You will get head or tails. So this is called sample space. How many elements are there in S? 1, 2. So we write n of S. N is small. This number of elements in sample space S. Sample space we write it in capital letter. So n of S is 2. That is number of elements in sample space. So set of all possible outcomes of random experiment is called as sample space. So what is random experiment? One coin is tossed. This is random experiment. What are the outcomes of this? Either it may show H, it may show tail. So that is sample space S will contain H and T. So number of sample points n of S is 2. It is denoted by capital S or Greek letter omega. So each element of the sample space is called as sample point. So H, T are the sample points. Number of elements in S is denoted by n of S. It is shown number of elements is n of S. N of S is finite, then the sample space is called finite sample space. Now observe two coins are tossed. So sample space HH, you may get possibilities are HH, HT, TH, TT. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you will write n of S is 4. When 3 coins are tossed, so what you will get? When 3 coins are tossed, you may get 3 head, then HHT, that is head, tails, HTH, you may get THH, you may get HTT, THT and TTH, TTT. So how to write this? You start with HHH, then replace the last one, write it T, replace the middle one, then replace the extreme left. Then replace where there is H, you replace it by T, where there is T, you replace it by H. You get the remaining 4 points. Okay, so these are the sample points. Sample points or elements, you can say, elements of the sample space. N of S is 8. When a die is thrown, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N of S is 6. When 2 dice are thrown, so you have combination, you may get 1, 1. That is both the die will contain 1. You may get 1, 2. You may get 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Like that 2, 1 to 2, 6. like that 61 to 66. So total you have 36 elements, sample points over here. A card is drawn from a pack bearing numbers 1 to 25. So you have sample space with 1 to 25. So n of s, how many sample points? 25. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Observe, diamond 13 cards, here jack, queen, king, face cards, spade 13 cards, heart 13 cards, club 13 cards. Okay, so n of s is 52 in that case. So the sample space of a coin tossed twice is same as that of the two coins tossed simultaneously, and same is true for three coins also. That is, when you toss a single coin twice and when you toss two coins at a time, your sample space will remain the same, this one. Sample space for a die rolled twice is same as two dice rolled simultaneously. So this sample space will remain the same. Okay. Study practice set 5.2. For each of the following experiments, write the sample spaces and the number of sample points n of s. So first example, one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. So one coin, head and tail, and one die, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write the sample space. So sample space will contain 1h, 1t, 2h, 2t, 3h, 3t, 4h, 4t, 5h, 5t, 6h, 6t. These are the combinations. So how many total elements? 12 elements. So n of s will contain 12. Hence the required number of sample spaces is 12. Second example, two digit numbers are formed using digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. So write down s and write down n of s for this. So you want, important condition is you want two digit number from this. Okay, so start with 23, two digit number, 25 without repetition, 32, 35, 52 and 53. So n of s is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? Number of elements in s is 6. Without repetition.